Hello and welcome to R1, part of our mini-series How to Attract a Girl. In this episode you will get 5 tips how to attract a girl you want to date for sure. So lean back and have fun. How to attract a woman, the 25 best tips. 1. If you want to attract a lady, stop seeking her approval. The first thing you need to realize is that you shouldn't ever ask the girl you want to hook up with for approval. Do not grovel for her love. Don't make an extra effort to win her favor. Because if you do this, it will be clear that you want her attention. You're going to be really clear about how much you need her. And what about that? Women tend to flee from males who have this mindset. 2. When you approach her, smile. Smile when you approach a woman you wish to entice. Whether you're approaching a female who is with her pals or by herself. No matter if you're approaching a woman at a club, on the street, or while riding the bus. How to approach a girl you don't know is related. You may instantly convey good feelings by smiling. You established the tone for the remaining exchange. 3. When speaking to her, look directly into her eyes. When speaking to the girl, make sure to look her directly in the eyes to convey your feelings. Or perhaps I should add, directly into the eye. You'll probably agree with me that it's challenging to look into both eyes at once. When speaking to her, choose one of her eyes, either the right or left. 4. Quickly let her know that there is something between the two of you. Like many guys, you've probably already made an effort to make a girl feel more than just a buddy by hitting on her. How to attract women organically. Let's become friends. It sounds like you? I experienced that frequently at the time. The exclusion zone. I do have some encouraging news, though. You may easily prevent this predicament if you let the girl know right away that you two are having feelings for one another. 5. Lead. Be in charge if you want to attract a stunning female. Lead the charge. A woman finds your capacity to lead to be highly appealing. Take a look at how to make a girl like you. Additionally, this character attribute will be helpful if you're dating a shy female. Women adore being able to just submit to a man in complete control of the situation. It's your responsibility to lead the dialogue. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.